In today's video, we'll teach you the Chinese character for factory pronunciation. 厂. This is a fun character in the Chinese language because the character 厂 originally looked like a steep cliff that has been greatly simplified into its modern form. This makes it easier to learn. In radical form, 厂 can be found in words such as toilet, 厕, kitchen, 厨, and pressure, 压. This makes it an important character to learn. Now let's see some examples. 工厂 factory, 电厂 electric power plant or station, 药厂 pharmaceutical factory, 酒厂 brewery or distillery, 船厂 shipyard or dockyard. Now let's try a sentence. 4个月后，他和姐姐被送到一个弹药厂。After 4 months, she and her sister were moved to an ammunition factory. 离开学校后，我在一家农具厂工作，后来又在一家汽车修理厂工作。After I left school, I worked in a farm tools factory, and later at an automobile repair plant. So there you have it. Now you know the character for factory in Chinese. Congratulations on building up your fundamental Chinese vocabulary. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more Chinese lessons.